There are many frogies in the unit. We're in the restaurant. There are many frogies in the universe. There are many frogies, and my mom is scared. Oh my gosh.
Check now.
Yes, we're in the restaurant. Why am I speaking like this? Ah. What is this?
Fish ball.
Hey, Sean. So freaking quiet. Look at the pool. There's not many city lights as I expected, but oh wait, I actually didn't really expect anything because in the morning I didn't really see any houses. But we're going back to our room and then we're gonna get ready for a movie night. The lighting is really bad here. This is the movie setup and we're gonna go there later. As you see, they're putting on the movie. But first we're gonna get ready and we're gonna go back to our little villa. Islamit ba mga papaan? We are finally. So we just finished eating breakfast and now we're gonna have a farm tour. First they're gonna show us their plants and then we're gonna go to the animals. Hey Sean. Oh yeah, and today's Sean's birthday. How old are you? 11.
Lajoya is a Spanish word that means joy and happiness. And that's what brings Lajoya for you as our guest. Right.
Thank you for the feeling that I know.
Okay, let's proceed to our herbs garden. Money purpose now. This is what we call dill. Some other guests, mangayo og dahon ani sa dill o kaning tarragons kay ilang i-add sa ilang tea. This is good for the tea.
Tarragon eh.
Tarragons. Tarragons. Oh, yeah. Kini
How
siya
does it smell, Ma?
sa din-
Smells like
sa garnish
herbs.
It's herb actually.
Gigamit din sa namo din pagputos pagkaon.
Pagkaon.
Pagkaon at the same time gigamit ni siya pag puno o pakumot sa pagkaon. Gamit sa mga drinks. Yes. Pero moadjud siya og kuan sa drinks kanang murag bugno bisan pag walay ice. Even the
Pila na ni ka?
10 years.
10 years ago, dugo yun ano?
10 years.
10 years na ni?
2015 na sa
Very
2025 years. Now here, mo na sa akong giingon nga lubi that was planted 2015, 2014. Ang purpose lang na mo ana nga lubi is to produce vinegar. Kuan kanang tuba nga actually daghan kay foreign people wa makailan ng tuba. So sana sa amo ang i-offer nila. At the same time, the sugar from coconut and the coconut coir which is used for the plant. Puti, pareha silang panit. Anhara na to mahibawan nga igpikas na to nga puti siya. Pero kini
Daga na kay ko ano? Kanang putot? Kanang
Karon na atay li.
white and separate water yung sud. Buds
Yung sa una na ni.
Amo ang shell para decoration.
Kanak ang ito.
Yes. Anya at the same time taoran ninyo mo og kuan kanang suga gamiton nga lamshi bitay.
Ini gabuak pero dito mo ha.
Besides siya kanilang makita sa mga farm. Pang tanding
Kaning kanang kadaigon ng dapo nga tanding.
Yeah, that's what they want.
It's very good. Nice. There's a lot of animals. Exotic plants. Because it's
Joy.
Spanish.
It's so freaking hot. So we're done doing the farm tour and then after we're gonna stay here for a while and then we're gonna swim in the pool later. Wait, I'm gonna help in this.
One eternity later.
So later we're about to switch rooms, and then we're gonna, cause our room right now is the villa, and we're gonna switch to the tent. So this is gonna be the last time we will have this view. How was your birthday so far, Sean?
Okay.
What was your favorite part of today?
Katong farm.
What can you say about the animals?
Most animals look so funny.
So we're gonna transfer in one of those, cause right now we are like in one of these things, but we're gonna transfer in those things. So we're gonna try Sean's cake.
It's banana cake with vanilla frosting.
Oh my gosh, I love banana cake. You know, Sal gets me banana cake every time he goes to the shop. This is what it looks like. Looks so pretty. It tastes so good. I'm not swimming yet because for me it's like too hot. So I'm gonna wait for the sun to not be that hot so I can get into the pool. But my brother and dad are there. I don't know if you could see them, but they're right there. This is made out of sweet potato. It has the same texture of banana chips.
Yeah.
Mama's such a complainer. Saba pa din kayo siya mo complain. Let me try.
So yum.
This is the inside. It has meat, cheese, and jalapenos.
Eat ba?
Bacon. Have you snack man eh? So good, no? Mahal tayo pero lamang ano.
It's actually really good. It's not that spicy. Okay, we're gonna try the other sandwich. Oh, I'm gonna wait for Sean to bite into the sandwich. Let me try.
So good, guys.
Sama siya.
The best.
Look at this one. This one looks so pretty.
Matawak ang bacon natin.
Where did Sean bite?
Yeah.
Ayun gawin natin.
Egg gutted.
This one's good too.
Okay.
Aren't you too?
Healthy kay kamo.
That was actually really good. After this, I'm gonna swim in the pool now.
Nice.
What is about the whole today?
I don't like the vegetable.
There's no vegetable on that.
Makaklaro na naman. Just don't lie to him. He has eyes.
Dang.
It's so freaking good.
Best? Best snack ever? This one.
My friends are gonna watch this and they're gonna think I'm crazy.
Why?
I don't know.
The chewy sounds big and I can't even swallow it.
Why are you guys complaining so loudly? It's kind of embarrassing. What is this, bread and a piece of, I don't know, left.
Sure ko kamote ni mo bilang magpay lang na ito.
Last bite.
Kapag siya tulad yun. What do you want na?
I'm sitting on the chair with my dad. And Sean is right there. Oh no, my feet. Sean is right there swimming.
We're gonna swim now.
How was the pasta, Sean? How was the pasta?
So Sean has 7 points and, excuse me, Sean,
Nice to save you.
my mom has 6.
If anything happens to Elaine and I mean anything.
For some reason, everyone is wearing black except for me. And we're gonna go eat breakfast now.
Sweet, but a little bit sour. Watermelon.
Papa sounds like an NPC. So we are finally going home and we are checking out and we are waiting for my dad to get the car. Sean, how was the trip? Rated out of 10?
9.
Why not 10?
I don't have mosquitoes.
Yes.